or 7 firefighters out here today working. You know, if we had, 25 to 30, we'd be able to do more than, the 500 feet at a time. The brush up here is extremely thick. It hasn't burned in 40 years, and so it takes time to cut through it and ship it. And what we're doing is we're treating the ridgeline by reducing the impact a fire might have if it started below us or on the other side of the ridge from us here. It buys us time to be able to get people up here to fight the fire. It buys the residents that live up here an opportunity to get out.
CAL FIRE is taking the Trump approach, logging the forest and weakening critical environmental protections, and that's the exact opposite of what we need to be doing. And study after study shows that the most effective way to keep homes from burning during a wildfire is focusing on the homes themselves. So retrofitting the home with proven fire safety measures and pruning vegetation in the defensible space immediately surrounding homes, and that's what the state should be investing in. And yet CAL FIRE's report directs no resources toward what's proven to be most effective in protecting homes.